Hello everyone, this is Harjobinjit Singh and I am a CSEP certified trainer from Seneca College. And today I'm going to tell you about some cardio workout which is very beneficial for your health. So basically, this workout class is for a beginner level who are in this field or started just a few weeks ago. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So before any introduction of cardio workout, I would like to begin with some warm up. So I have to say, a warm up is the main criteria before you can start. Before you started any type of activity, whether it is cardio, strengthening, or something. And the second thing is that it helps prepare your body and for any aerobic activity. It raises your body temperature and will increase blood flow to your muscles, lubricate your joints. Last, lessen the risk of injury. You will start feeling your heart rate going up as you start warm up. So for a warm up, you can jog in place, like simply you can do it for 1 or 2 minute jogging place. Or the second activity for warm up is you can walking high knees, like just simple. You have to do this on a place or like it is also you can do some split jump so it will increase your core temperature. You will start feeling sweating sometimes. Yeah, so this is the main thing for a warm up. And now next I would like to, so now I'm gonna tell you about some simple 6 beneficial exercise for your cardio workout. And this cardio work is called HIIT means high intensity interval training, which means that this workout is great for beginners. So if this is your first time in HIIT, welcome. So the HIIT means you have to work out in a short interval as hard as possibly you can without taking any longer break. The break must be short, like about 15 to 30-second break. So talking about the lunges can increase muscle mass to build up strength and tone your body, especially your core, butt, and legs. And you can also add some weight to increase intensity. So let's get started. Yeah, start by standing tall. Feet should be width apart, and step forward with one foot until your leg reaches a 90-degree angle, like this, and lift your front lunging leg to return to the starting position, and then the second leg. And this is all. Repeat 10 to 12 reps on one leg, or switch off between legs until you have totaled up to 10 to 12 reps per leg, like this. You have to maintain a nice posture and 90-degree angle. This. And now the second exercise is planks. That's my favorite. Yeah, because it strengthens your core, improve muscle definition, aids your metabolic rate, it helps improving your posture, balance. It helps all. If you have back pain, you can start doing planks. So it's a simple exercise, but you have to maintain a nice posture. You should plant hands directly under your shoulders, slightly wider than shoulder width, like you are about to do push-up. Hold this position like this. hold this position for a 20 second. And you can also do forearm plank, like, yeah. So as you get more comfortable with the move, hold your plank for as long as possible without compromising your form or health. Now the third exercise, that is jumping jacks. So like most cardio exercise, jumping jacks offer you cardiovascular benefits, various benefits. It balances out your heart rate, increase blood circulation all over the body, and controls and maintain blood pressure. So let's get started. So you have to stand upright with your legs together, arms at your side, and just bend to your knees slightly and jump into the air like this. So as you jump, spread your legs to be about shoulder width apart. Stretch your arms out and over your head. Jump back to the starting position and repeat. Now, the fourth exercise is squats. It is the best exercise. Like squats will help strengthen your bones and your muscle and your knees, and also increase your flexibility. So a simple body weight squat, which I am going to demonstrating now, use almost every muscle in the core and lower body. So let's get started. Like stand with your feet slightly wider than your hips. Your toes should be slightly outward, like a 5 to 20 degree angle, like this. Look straight ahead and pick some spot on the wall in front of you. Look at that spot entire time, not looking down at the floor or up at the ceiling. So just like, keep a nice posture and bend down like a 90-degree angle. So if you want add some variation, you can do like narrow squats. And now I'm gonna tell you about the fifth exercise, that is mountain climbers. These exercises are very good for your heart. They help in building upper body strength, increase your core strength. It's a low impact exercise, improve your flexibility. So let's get started. As you can see, you can try it on like on a floor or on a simple mat. You can see like there are stones, so I'm using my dumbbells for this. You can put both hands and knees on the floor and place your right foot near your right hand and extend your left leg behind you. So in one smooth motion, switch your legs, keeping your arms in the same position. Switch your legs back and forth twice, such that your right leg is again close to your right hand. Let me show. Okay, like this. And try to bring your knees towards your chest. Yeah, so you can do it in this exercise for 140 to 60 seconds for a beginner. So now the sixth and last exercise, that is a half burpees, also called an up down or a no push-up burpee. Simply eliminates the push-up portion of the burpee. This is a great alternative for people who have the cardiovascular endurance to perform burpees but don't have the strength to perform push-up yet. So start in a push-up position and hold your feet to the outside of your hand. Make sure knees are in line with ankles. Jump into the air, shooting hands up overhead. Return hands to the ground and hop feet back into push-up position. Repeat as quickly as can be controlled. Let me show. like go down and just yeah. And now the last thing is cool down. You can do some walking, running, simple like running or walking around a place. You can do anything like decrease your heart rate and then go on. Yeah. So now this is the end of our workout session. So try to go like 3 days a week. Try to do this hit workout, especially 3 days a week. That is very beneficial for you. And thank you so much again. Take care. Goodbye. Thank you.